How to use Wix Owner app. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Wix Owner app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a leading cloud-based web development platform that allows users to create and manage websites with ease, in which the platform provides a range of customizable templates and drag-and-drop features, enabling users to design professional-looking websites without the needing extensive coding knowledge. And one of the standout features of Wix is its own mobile application in the Wix Owner app, which empowers site owners to manage their businesses on the go. And this app allows users to update content, respond to customers' inquiries, track analytics, and even manage bookings and payments directly from their mobile devices. And now to install this application, just search on the search bar Wix Owner, then just click the install button to proceed. And after that, you can now proceed by clicking this open button in here, in which you also need to sign up or sign in your account in here. And below it will show you some of the options that you can start navigating with your own activity, add, inbox, and manage, in which each of these features or option has corresponding function on this platform. Starting to this home, from here it will show you the analytics, including the site session, total sales, total orders, number of bookings for the last 30 days, last 7 days, this week, and many more. And at the top panel, by simply clicking this one, it will show you that you can simply choose which kind of website do you want to customize in here. And as you can see, I have here a variety of websites that I can choose from. And let's say I'm going to choose the waitlist landing page. By simply clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show you that it is now currently switching to this waitlist landing page. So all we need to do is wait for it to load, and after that you will now be directed on this page right here. Or you could also start navigating the same option in here, such as analytics for the last 7 days, this week, this month, and many more. And below, you'll also be able to see here under the contacts, all of your contacts, members, and new members. And to add new contact, just click this add contact button. And from here, you can simply fill out all of the required information, including the first name, last name, email address, and even their phone number here or code, and even their addresses in here that you want to input. Then just click the save button on the top right corner to proceed adding a specific contact. But you could also invite members directly by clicking this invite members button right here. And now as you can see under these payment methods, you can simply start connecting a payment method that you prefer, in which all you need to do from here is to select your business location, and after that, you can now proceed by choosing which kind of payment methods that you prefer, such as PayPal right here. It will show you the step-by-step process on how you can connect, and below you will see here the processing fee that they offer. Now going back in here, aside from that, you could also connect your manual payment methods, or alternatively, below here, you have here some other payment methods that you could also link your account to. Now going back in here, aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you could also navigate these pay links to get paid instantly with pay links, and even create here your own invoices by clicking this create invoice button. From here, all you need to do is to simply select your business name and fill out all of the required information. But going back in here, we could also navigate price quotes, proposals, forms activity, media storage, push notifications, tasks and reminders, and many more. And from here, all of those widgets, we could also start managing it, such as by deleting some of those widgets or adding a widgets that you prefer. By clicking this manage widgets right here, it will show us in here that you can start removing or deleting some other widgets by clicking this minus button on the right side panel of each widget. For instance, this media storage, you could also see here that it is now deleted, but you could also click the plus button to start adding it again. Aside from that, from here, you could also arrange by clicking or dragging the widgets on the specific position that you prefer. So as you can see, the first thing widgets that we will see is the proposal widgets. So if you go back to this page right here, you will now see here that the top widgets is now proposals. Now moving on to activity section by clicking this activity button right here, it will show you all of your recent activity in here or all of your updates in here. And you could also monitor and manage various aspects of your Wix website and business in here. While by clicking this add button, you could also start creating an invoice, pay link, announcement, price code, and marketing tools in here that you prefer. For instance, create an email campaign. From here, it will show you that you could simply start creating by clicking or choosing here a template that you prefer. And to proceed, kindly click this edit this template upon selecting your chosen template in here. Then you will be directed in here that you can start customizing this template on your mobile phone. You could also navigate the option below to start changing or customizing some other options and content of these templates. But going back on this page right here, below you could also navigate the other option, which is for example this one, also known as inbox, from where it will allow you to show some other received messages that you could also respond in real time, facilitating seamless communication through various channels including chat and email. You could also navigate on the top panel some other category including all contacts, customers, contacted me, and many more. Then from here it will show you how you can start setting up your inbox account in here. And by clicking the three dots on the top right corner, it will show you some other options including mark a message as read, edit list, and even navigate the settings and explore these other options including sender email address, save replies, and many more. So basically, Wix Inbox is designed to enhance customer communication, improve response times, and maintain organized interactions, making it an essential tool for businesses using the Wix platform. Now by clicking this manage button below, you could also navigate here some other options including website, mobile app, getting paid, payments, marketing, customer and leads, and many more. And for instance, in those options, I'm going to click this website button right here, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us in here that we can start connecting our domain, navigating to offer coupons, share on social posts, and many more. Well, by clicking this mobile app, it will show us in here what our website or wait listing page looks like in a mobile that we could also start customizing on this platform or application. We can create here an email campaign and other tools in order to grow our website or landing page in here. Well, by clicking this getting paid option, from here you could also start navigating the pay links, manage invoices, price codes, proposals, point of sale, and many more. And by clicking this payment, from here it will show you that you could also start navigating to connect your payment method on this page. While under these customers and leads, it will show you all of your customers, your contacts, members, and badges of those contacts. While by clicking this marketing, you could also navigate the social post, email marketing, video maker, push notifications, and many more. And aside from that, under the settings option, by clicking on it, you could also navigate this media manager, business info, shipping, accept payments, tax, and many more. And below, by clicking this manage apps button right here, you'd also start integrating some others, business tools or content and community tools in here, such as groups, blog, forums, bookings, event, and many more. And even an online programs in here. And aside from that, to customize your account by clicking this account option or your account logo on the top left corner. From here, you could also navigate the app settings, notification settings, the app language in here, and even the app display that you prefer, such as dark mode or light mode in here. So overall, these Wix mobile apps are designed to enhance the functionality and accessibility of Wix websites for both site owners and their members. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Wix Owner app. Thank you.